Assalamualaikum and welcome back to the Luna Classic update. Yesterday I made a video called the bullish divergence here. So this bullish divergence pretty much is playing out, and this is what I said. Luna Classic looking as the following. So you do have like some potential double bottom right here, but it's not only that, but if you look at this, you have lower lows on the prices and a little bit of this, you're making some higher highs on the RSI. So basically there's a little bit of that bullish 83.33 of the Luna Classic here, somewhere on top of this line over there, and that also means that you could potentially go back up to retest this trend line that you lost back at 13,000, and that's going to be a little bit of a pump back up for a 7%. So that's really expected. I do think this. All right, so that was the recap I wanted to show you. And if we go back to the chart pattern, we already did pretty much exactly what I told you and what I was expecting, that when you go back up, you're looking for that 13,000, and we've met the technical target like a boss. Now, what is going to happen here is quite interesting from this point onwards, because if I look on the daily, that one does look like a retest. So if I do end up coming into the daily time frame and I show you this trend line, you might actually say that you only ended up back testing a support that you actually lost. Okay, so if you look at it that way, you had this previous support that actually got broken out right there, and if I try to zoom in just a little bit at this point of time, you can see that you just ended up coming down, pumping to the upside, and you're making something like this one. Now the major focus is on this red candle that you see right now. If you end up closing like this in the next 11 hours and 21 minutes, then you could potentially be making a shooting star, and that shooting star also means that you're looking for reversals to the downside. However, this is still your retest. We still haven't closed the candlestick, and you do have chances to making some positive closing as well. So all we need in the next 11 hours is to actually close above this yellow line that you see and not below the yellow line. So that's going to be very, very important. Now on the other side, if you end up doing something as that and you end up closing like this in a bad way, then you could potentially be looking for Luna Classic to potentially make all this pattern and a move to the downside as well. Now there could be even chances of saying that, if Luna Classic ends up coming and doing something like this, and then go down like that, this could be your inverse cup and handle, right? So you could have this cup here, make a handle right there, and then you continue even lower. There could be chances of that one is happening as well. So it is what it is right now, and that's pretty much it for this update on Luna Classic. Just a quick one, and I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.